Good morning, Otsego Middle School students. Mrs. Garrett here, and Mrs. Linaway,
Hello.
we wanted to introduce you to a new assessment that we'll be doing this year called NWEA map testing.
Here are some of the testing details. First, each test is going to take you approximately 1 hour to complete. You'll need to test 3 times each year in the fall, the winter, and the spring. You will be taking 3 different tests, one in math, one in reading, and then a language usage test. And finally, this test is designed to find a just right place for your own personalized learning.
As you're taking the test, you might notice a couple of things. One, as always, we want you to do your best and show us what you know. Information from this test will be used to help our planning for you, such as RTI for reading, writing workshop. It will also be used for placement in advanced math classes and testing into Spanish for your Lexile level. So make sure you do your best and take your time. If you go too fast on the test, you will get this screen popped up and it will pause your test. It's just a cue for you to slow down, take a deep breath, continue testing. You'll have to have their proctor come over and enter a PIN, and then you'll be able to resume testing. If you would do this too many times, your testing score would be invalid and we'd have to retest you during the makeup session. Remember, this kind of test is a test developed to give you more difficult questions and easier questions depending on how you're answering them. So it's okay not to be able to answer every question on this test.
After the testing session, here are some things you can expect. First, your teacher will have quick access to your results. No waiting. Each test will generate a RIT score and a RIT range, which we will be talking to you more about. Your reading test will also generate a Lexile level. There will be growth goals for the next time that you test. This may not be the case for the first time.
Here's an example report of what you might see after you test. As we get these results, your teachers will go over these kind of reports with you so you can learn where you're at and what areas we want to grow you in.
Here's just another example of the reports. This is a family report that will be sent home to share this information with your family.
Just remember, this test is specifically engineered to determine where you are right now and what areas we need to either extend your learning or that we need to do a little remediation with.
It also lines right up with the programs we're using in IXL and for some teachers that are using in Khan Academy.
You've got this. Show us what you know. And if you have any other questions, your teachers or myself or Ms. Linaway can answer those for you.
Thank you.